Be right back. Gotta grab the vacuum. 2 seconds. What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRaveled. And today I have these. These are the Skullcandy Indy ANC. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course, a latency test. So sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, let's do this, let's go, right meow. All right guys, up first is going to be the audio test. This is TED. TED is a binaural microphone. So at this point, what you wanna do is go grab your headphones. I'm gonna stick these earphones into TED's ears. That way you will be able to hear what I'm hearing at the same time. We can listen together and have a little discussion down in the comment section about the audio. Audio test time right now.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Get that punch.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Whoa, I paid $100 for these Skullcandies. They seem to always be on sale. The MSRP is $129.99, but they seem to always be on sale on Amazon for $100, $99.99. These things sound really, really good for their price point. I need to do a versus video with a few different pairs of headphones. The mids themselves seem a bit muddy, not a lot, but their highs are super clear, super crisp. The bass makes me smile. I like the bass a lot. They hit really hard. The overall listening experience was very pleasant. Let me know down in the description below if you agree with me. Up next is going to be the mic test. Let's do this. Okay guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Skullcandy Indy ANCs. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Now the ambient noise is playing at about 85 dB. This is the sound of my voice with the Skullcandy Indy ANC with ambient noise running in the background. So what do you guys think? Were you able to hear my voice clearly? Was the sound muffled in the background? Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Let's go ahead and get that ANC test started right now. All right, guys, so I got the earbuds in Ted's ears right now, and this is with noise cancellation turned off and the ambient mode setting turned off. There's nothing on. This is what it would sound like if somebody was talking to you with none of those features turned on. Now, I'm gonna cycle through noise cancellation and ambient mode. So let's go ahead actually and do ambient mode first. So ambient this is what it would sound like with ambient mode turned on. You should be able to hear my voice clearer, louder, crisper. You should be able to pick up everything that's going on in the background without any problem. Well, let's switch that. Let's go ahead and
noise cancelling off.
Mode on. Again, this is what my voice would sound like. It should be more muffled. You shouldn't really be able to hear me as much. What I'd like to do is go ahead and start the ambient noise in the background. So let's go ahead and do that. So again,
noise cancelling off.
Turned off. This is just what it would sound like with your headphones turned on. And this is
ambient
mode on. So again, you should be able to hear me much clearer, but also all of the noise in the background. And this is with
noise cancelling off.
Turned on. Let's also go ahead and start the vacuum. So that way you got a little extra noise. Again, this is what it would sound like with noise cancellation mode turned on. A bunch of noise in the background. Everything should be really, really muffled at this time. All right, guys, so hopefully the Skullcandy's held up during the ANC test. Let's go ahead and jump into the latency test. The Skullcandies promote a lag-free connection, but there's no gaming mode to turn off or on. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to do a latency test, and we're gonna do it on Android and iOS. I'm using a OnePlus 8 Pro for the Android device and a iPhone 12 Pro Max for the iOS device. So up first, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the Android phone. So here we go. Now let's switch over to the iOS device. All right, guys, so there you have it. We went ahead and we did an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and a latency test. What'd you think? Let me know everything down in the comments below. If you want to see a smash up between these and another pair of headset, let me know that too. Skullcandy versus what? Let me know down in the comments below. So that's what I have for today. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.